Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will be writing the letter Alif in Zulu script. So let's start. The first thing you will try to do is to make the mizan, an approximate mizan of 7 nuktas. Let's do that. You can be approximate, you don't have to precise with this. I will segregate these nuktas into 3 milestones. The first is 3 nuktas. The second is 5 nuktas. And finally the 7 nuktas. Now let's learn how to make the angle. At what angle we have to write. First, make the x and y axes. Then divide this. This is 45 degree, and when you divide this part, you will get 72 degree approximately. I will now carry this down. I put the column here. Now let's write. This is your first milestone. Second milestone as same as the first. And at third milestone, you will then turn the column towards you. And that is what gives the tail of the letter Alif. I will teach you separately how to make the hilya. It is approximately 1.5 nukta and can go up to 2 nuktas. Now we will write this letter without taking breaks. Let's learn how to make hilya. When you make first stroke of Alif, then here goes the hilya. This is the nukta which has 4 corners. Hilya is nothing but a rectangular nukta. Here, this will be hidden in the body of your letter. If you make a straight line from the top, you will see there is a space in both sides, which indicates the curve in the letter Alif. That is all for this video. See you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.